This is exactly why we wait for 15-minute closes. I'm tired of watching the 5 minutes. I no longer watch the 5 minutes, and this is exactly why. So check this out. I'm looking for SPY puts below 568.44. As you guys can see, I already have my entry and price targets and stop loss set, but I was waiting for a 15-minute candle close below because this is the 15 minutes right here as well. I'm just switching over to my other screen, but I want to show you guys something. So this is the 15 minutes right here, and this is the 5 minutes right here. Look what happened on the 5 minutes. The 5 minutes actually did close below that specific level for puts. Could have gotten the entry, maybe even entered at the 90-minute retest, but it ended up faking out. This is exactly why I'm tired of watching the 5 minutes. Because the 5 minutes, I could have entered and got wrecked. I would have lost money there. But if you wait for a 15-minute close, which is more vital, more higher weight, holds more weight, better price action, you guys can see we ended up just hammering on that level, which is perfect. The buyer volume kicked into, as you guys can see, the volume here. It's pretty strong for the 15-minute time frame. And that's exactly why we wait for 15-minute closes now, because we did not have to lose money. We didn't even enter at all. And I'm still waiting for a reject here at pre-market low, but that's exactly, guys, why we stopped watching the 5 minutes.